Previously, we've heard of how more of the over 55s have looked at ways of releasing the equity within their property to fund their trips abroad. However, people of all ages could use the same option to pay for an overdue holiday and make it a reality. Research from AA Travel Insurance has discovered that 21% of the population has decided against holidaying abroad this year, with 2 in 5 saying they don't feel as if they can afford to go. Even those who have found enough money to book a holiday have been affected. Of those travelling, 82% admit they'll be thinking carefully about their budget once they do go. Mark Huggins, Director of AA Financial Services, is concerned that to cut the cost of holidays, those people who can afford to go, 22% buy travel insurance on the grounds of cost, whilst a further third feel it's unnecessary. However, he describes holiday cover as vital, warning that an accident or illness that lands you in a European hospital could easily cost you £2,000 and over £10,000 if you're holidaying in the USA. If you're struggling with your monthly outgoings due to store or credit card payments, one option could be a debt consolidation loan. This could reduce your monthly outgoings and free up some extra cash to pay for that well-earned break and holiday insurance.